NATO is helping Ukraine to fight but not to win. At this week NATO summit in Washington, the alliance's primary focus was Russia's ongoing war in Ukraine. NATO unrevealed plan to escalate its support for Kyiv, emphasizing a commitment to provide a clear, irreversible path to eventual membership in the Defense Pact. The discussion underscored the alliance's dedications to bolstering Ukraine's defense capabilities against Russian aggression. However, the strategic objective remained to support Ukraine in sustaining its resistance rather than ensuring a decisive victory over Russia. This numerous approach aims to balance immediate military aid with long-term political and strategic stability in the region. NATO's intensified support include advanced weaponry training program and increased intelligence sharing. These measures are designed to enhance Ukraine's defensive postures, enabling it to better withstand Russia's offensives. The alliance's commitment reflects a broader strategy of containing Russia's expansion while avoiding direct confrontations that could escalate into a wider conflict. In addition, the military support NATO's summit also focused on a geopolitical implication of Ukraine's political membership. While immediate accessing is not on the table, the promises of eventual membership serves as a significant political gestures, refining NATO's long-term commitment to Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity. As the conflict in the Ukraine continues, NATO's role evolved, balancing the provision of critical support with the strategic aim to maintaining regional stability and avoiding broader escalation. The alliance's action highlighted a complex interplay between the immediate military assistance and long-term political commitments, shaping the future trajectory to conflict and NATO's role in it. Keep following for the further updates on NATO's evolving strategic and the impact on the conflict in Ukraine.